Let's take a little look at Nvidia. Nvidia was down really big pre-market to start the day. Came all the way down here, kind of tagged some lows at around $280. We are going to have the 50% retracement down here at around 270, and our golden pocket is going to sit around 253. So the market did have a little bit of a bounce. Before we start calling this the bottom, we really need to see more data. Guys, if you're not an experienced scalper or you haven't been doing this for a very long time, you can't get confused when you see every single green uptick in the market or every single red downtick in the market. Just because we closed green today on the triple Qs does nowhere near mean that we are out of the woods. Just because Nvidia kind of ate up all of this selling pressure here. Bulls stepped in, did a fantastic job, kind of reclaimed this 150-day moving average. I am looking at the 4-hour time frame, just kind of give us, just a macro overview here. We did reclaim this 150 here and tried to test the 10-day moving average as well as the 100 SMA here. So here's the only problem though. Let me pull out my drawing tool here. You can see when we put in these highs here at around 346, this was like a little bit of a blow off top. We did come down here to the 50-day moving average, which is this red line dragging across my screen. We did bounce off this. We retested it again. We bounced off of it. We retested it again. We bounced off of it. You can see we started to create some resistance in this area here around that $336 area. As soon as we were to start to get over that, then we could talk about retesting this 346 area. So as of right now, this is going to act as a level of resistance. I'm just going to call it an ace and a spade a spade. When we got rejected here again and now lost this 50-day moving average here, you can see now that the 50-day moving average is acting as a level of resistance now. So what was formerly a level of support is now acting as a level of resistance. We could not crack above that to try to get back into this channel here. And then we had this flush down. So even though Nvidia did kind of, recover a little bit off of this long wick down, we're nowhere near out of the woods here. You can see ever since we've been rejected, we're putting in these lower lows and lower highs here. So it doesn't really look good. For Nvidia to start looking good again, we're really going to need to get over this 310, 313 area, even 320. I mean, it just is what it is. We're going to have to reclaim this 50-day moving average. Until Nvidia starts reclaiming this 50-day moving average here and breaks out and then retest this, I'm not feeling confident going long because I'm not going to buy down in here thinking that I'm timing the bottom of this market. We come up here again, get rejected once more time, and then fall down to 270. Come back up here, test this 288, which is acting as a level of support, get rejected, and then even test the golden pocket down here at 253. I mean, think about, the ass you would make of yourself trying to do something like that. So right now we're in this, downward channel here. What we really need to see is what do we do when we get back up into this 308, 312 area? Do we confirm this, kind of break out, back test it, and then push higher? Or do we kind of come up here, peekaboo above, kind of lose this level again, bang our heads here once more, and then start coming back down? If we do that and we can't reclaim that area, we are definitely going to see Nvidia do something like this. Okay, come back down in this channel here, and we could see our way coming down to this 270 area. I would hope not. If we do, I would hope that it comes in 1-2 days, kind of get it, just a really quick aggressive flush. That way we can kind of, find a little bit of support and then kind of play our hedges long at that point. But just something to keep an eye on here, especially if the futures decide to gap up in the morning. If we decide to have a green open in the morning, I could definitely see this opening up over 308. I could see it opening up here at the upper channel, possibly even 315, 313 in that area. But do we quickly come up here into this 320 area, kind of bang our heads on this 50-day moving average, get rejected again? And if we start to lose that 310.78 level on the gap up, then we could have a little bit of confidence shorting this back down into the 288. And if we lose 288, then we have that bigger level here into the 270. Kind of hope that helps. I know it's a little bit confusing. The whole point of this video is Don't think that just because we recovered a little bit today that, we're heading in all-time highs. Okay, this was one step in the right direction. However, now we need to start breaking this downtrend here. Okay, we can't come up here, hit our heads, and then get rejected again. So let's see what we do. Just stay patient. There is no rush. The market is going to be open tomorrow. The market is going to be open the following day. The market's going to be open the following day. If it takes you 2 to 3 days to kind of gather your thoughts and gather your game plan, then let it take 2 or 3 days. But until then, just be very, very careful. This market, there's a lot of volatility going on here, and we really need to see what we do coming out of this downward channel here. I hope that helps, guys. If you want to join my Discord, that link is down in the description box below. Also, leave me a comment on this video, subscribe to my channel, and give me a thumbs up. I would highly appreciate it. And until next time, I will see you guys all on the next video.